Hey everyone, welcome back to another installation video, and in today's video we have this brand new 2023 Honda Accord, and we're going to do the tail light tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the tail light. Link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. Okay, so before starting the installation, we want to make sure we clean the tail light. So just apply your slip solution all around the tail light, and then just make sure you wipe off all the contaminants that the tail light might have. Okay, so we're going to start off with this piece of the tail light first. So just apply slip solution all around the tail light. Apply slip solution on the tint as well. And for the first step, we just want to align the middle part first. So make sure you align it right in the center. Once you have this piece lined up, we're going to start tacking down just up to this, from here to here. Just tack it down, because the rest, once we have this secured, the next step is to stretch that way. Once you have aligned it in the center, apply tack solution, and with your squeegee it, hold it in place. That way it doesn't move. Okay, and now once we secured this spot, now we can work away on each end. So we're going to start off here, and the same steps we do on this side, you would just rinse and repeat to that end over there. So just lift the film up to where you tacked it down, apply slip solution. That way we're able to align the film. You are going to need to stretch the film just a bit, just so it can reach the edge here. And make sure while you're stretching it, you keep it aligned here. Once you have it aligned and right on the edge here, you can start tacking it down. Apply tack solution to secure it in place. And just make sure everything's aligned here. You are going to have some material here. You just tack that around the curve. Make sure to remove all of the solution that's in the back of the film. All we're going to do for this piece here is apply tack solution and heat to place it down. Once this piece is completely tacked down, you rinse and repeat the same steps we did here to this end here. Okay, once we're done installing this piece here, now we can move on with this section of the outer piece of the tail light. So with this one, just apply slip solution. And what we're going to do is align it first on this end, right on the edge. Once you have it aligned here and on the bottom here, now we have to tack it down. So just apply tack solution. Let's start tacking down this piece first. To remove the finger, just lay it flat and just squeegee. For these fingers, all we have to do now is just apply tack solution and with heat, and we should remove these fingers here now. And you could use your microfiber towel as well to absorb the solution that's on the back of the film. You can use this technique where you wrap the microfiber towel around the squeegee. That way, as you're tacking down on the film, the microfiber towel absorbs the solution that comes out on the edge here. Okay, now we can move on with this piece here. So for this last piece, we're just going to apply slip solution. And we're going to align the piece on this edge first, follow along the bottom piece here as well. And now all we have to do is just tack down. So first we're going to tack down this piece, and then work our way to tacking down the rest. The last thing to do is just adding heat all around the edges here to remove any fingers that might be popping up, and making sure, since the film overlapped here, making sure it stays sealed and it's not lifting as well. So just apply tack solution and heat and microfiber towel, and you should be good. So the last thing to do once you finish installing all of the sets on the tail light is just post heating all around the edges. That way the adhesive on the film activates faster and it stays more secure onto the tail light. So to post heat, just apply tack solution, and just with your microfiber towel and heat, just go all around the tail light to secure it in place. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the taillight tints for the 2023 Honda Accord. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installations. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.